Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable auto renewal on your Verizon subscription or service, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your billing preferences. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit Verizon.com. Sign in to your My Verizon account using your mobile number or user ID and password. Step 2. Once signed in, navigate to the Account or My Plan section from the main menu. Step 3. Look for Billing or Payment Settings to access options related to your payment and renewal preferences. Step 4. Find the specific service or subscription that has auto renewal enabled. This could be your device payment plan, insurance, or additional service features. Step 5. Click on the service to view detailed information about the subscription and payment schedule. Step 6. Look for auto pay, auto renew, or automatic payment settings associated with that service. Step 7. Toggle off or disable the auto renewal option. The interface will typically show a switch or button that says Turn off auto renew or Disable automatic renewal. Step 8. Confirm your choice when prompted. Verizon may show you information about when your service will end without auto renewal. Step 9. Review the confirmation message to ensure auto renewal has been successfully disabled. Save any confirmation numbers or emails for your records. Step 10. Check your email for a confirmation message from Verizon documenting the change to your auto renewal settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.